DeMartino, aka Joey D, aka America's Greatest Sports Fan, aka Godfather Sports. On Saturday, October 12th, 2024, I stayed at the Hampton Inn in Hoffman Estates, Illinois, while on a sports trip. The hotel is located at 2825 Greenspoint Parkway, Hoffman Estates, Illinois, 60169. It's at the intersection of Hassel Road and Greenspoint Parkway. Hotel's about a quarter mile off of Interstate 90, and nearby restaurants include the Assembly American Bar and Grill, Chili's, Starbucks, Burger King, and Steak and Shake. The parking lot appeared well lit and safe. Check-in was great. I used the electronic key to go right to my room. The room was clean and comfortable. The business center was not working, but breakfast and the fitness center were good. So I definitely recommend this hotel when you are in the Hoffman Estates, Illinois area. So thank you, sports fans. Have a blessed day, and please keep our first responders and military in your thoughts and prayers.